Hello everyone, this is Caroline from MAXGE Electric. I'm glad to introduce MAXGE's mold and tooling workshop today. MAXGE's components manufacturing is divided into 4 workshops, namely stamping workshop, mold and tooling workshop, injection molding workshop, and spot welding workshop. In view of the company's development plan, the stamping workshop has been relocated to Anhui Wuhu, which is our new manufacturing base. As for the injection molding workshop, we have already introduced it in the previous live stream. And for the spot welding workshop, we will introduce it in the upcoming live stream. Today, we'd like to introduce the mold and tooling workshop. MAXGE adheres to the concept of lean production and intelligent manufacturing to create an excellent workshop. Next, please stay with me and I will show you one by one. First of all, here we come to the CNC processing area of the mold and tooling workshop, which currently has 13 precision machining equipments in this area, including 2 Victor Titron CNC milling machines and 4 Beijing Jindiao CNC engraving and milling machines. Professional equipment is a solid foundation in our production process, and this area implements a 2-shift system to achieve the equivalent efficiency of day and night shifts. This is our EDM processing area, which currently has 7 electrical discharge machining equipments, including 3 Moldmaster CNC EDM machines and 4 Sodic CNC EDM machines. Relying on the fully automatic EDM machines controlled by the CNC program, it greatly improves the processing quality and processing efficiency of CNC EDM. And this area also implements a 2-shift system to achieve the equivalent efficiency of day and night shifts. Here comes the design team of our mold and tooling workshop. At present, we have 5 plastic mold design engineers and 4 stamping die design engineers. Our engineers all reach to advanced and technician skill levels and have more than 10 years of experience in mold and tooling design in this industry, which can realize the complete internal one-stop solution of mold and tooling design. This workshop is also equipped with an independent mold quality inspection group, including a full range of testing equipments, which can help us achieve full inspection in the mold processing process to ensure the accuracy of mold manufacturing. Next, I will introduce the digital screen for management of our workshop. In order to respond to the construction of digital workshops and create intelligent workshops, each workshop of MAXGE is equipped with digital screen of mass system. This comprehensive digital screen not only records the mold progress, employee performance, machine load, cost analysis, etc. in detail, but also has corresponding sections for quality inspection, warehouse management, and financial interface. From business orders to mold design, from quality inspection to performance cost, all are fully automatic statistics through the mass system. While improving production efficiency, it also effectively reduces operating and management costs in production. This is a comprehensive digital screen that records mode information. It includes the modes in use, the modes in the warehouse, the problems in the past week, etc., and also includes the specific situation of mode maintenance and mode replacement tasks. The real-time updated mode information shows the mode usage condition in the mode workshop in detail, which greatly facilitates the use and allocation of modes, thus ensuring the efficiency of production. Here we come to the feeder group. The feeder group has a total of 10 professional mode feeders, all of whom have more than 10 years of work experience. Among them, there are 7 professional feeders for plastic molds and 3 professional feeders for stamping dies. Every pair of our precision mold is derived from their meticulous craftsmanship. This is the organization chart of the mold and tooling workshop. The work content that each employee is responsible for and the corresponding person in charge can be found on it. We attach great importance to the improvement of employees' ability and skills, and the training of multi-skilled workers, and strive to build a high-quality, high-skilled, and efficient mold and tooling team. This is our grinder group, including 5 Junlin grinding machines and 2 JC high-precision water grinding machines. At present, there are 4 senior skilled grinding machine technicians, all of whom have more than 10 years of grinding machine operation experience, and each high-precision workpiece is carefully carved by these technicians. This area is currently equipped with 8 wire cut equipments, including 4 GF middle speed wire cut machines and 4 Suzhou Sanguang middle speed wire cut machines. Now we have 4 employees working in this area, and this area also implements a 2-shift system to achieve the equivalent efficiency of day and night shifts. This is low-speed wire cut group. This area is currently equipped with 6 wire cut equipments, including 3 GF low-speed wire cut machines and 4 Soldic low-speed wire cut machines. Now we have 8 employees working in this area, and this area also implements a 2-shift system to achieve the equivalent efficiency of day and night shifts. In order to further display the equipment and production of mold and tooling workshop to everyone, we also invited Mr. Wang, the manager of mold tooling workshop, to make a detailed supplement introduction for us.
大家好，我是美高电器科技有限公司模具车间经理王辉。现在由我跟大家分享一下我们公司模具车间的一些具体情况。众所周知，模具乃工业之母。美高模具车间秉承了公司精益制造、智能制造的理念，担负着维护生产、助力研发的使命，助力美高公司快速高质发展。模具车间配置大小精密设备44台，涵盖日式 GF、日本沙迪克、台湾准力等高端精密模具加工设备，人员36人，其中模具技师18人， 模具高级工15人，拥有同行业专业模具技能10年以上经验人员达33人，具备模具设计、制造、维保、内部一站式解决的能力，具备模具月产能30附加的综合制造能力。请跟随我们的镜头来展示一下我们车间的一些具体的作业情况。首先，我们来到模具车间的 CNC 加工区。该区域目前配置6台精密加工设备，其中台中金基品牌速控铣床2台，北京金雕4台。专业的设备是我们生产过程中的坚实基础。目前我们 CNC 加工中心具备塑料膜备料2天一副，冲压膜备料1天一副的产能，配置5人2班制，实现白夜班等效。是我们的电火花加工区，目前我们这里配备了7台高精密的电火花加工设备，其中台湾医药速控火花机3台，日本沙迪克镜面火花机4台。电火花是通过电极与工件之间脉冲放电时的电腐蚀原理去除材料，成型工件，需要精心编程、精准校对后开启机台自动作业，输出合格的工件，配置5人2班制，实现白夜班等效。是我们模具车间的设计组，目前我们拥有塑料膜设计工程师5人，冲压膜设计工程师4人，专业模具生管2人，都具备模具高级工技师技能水平，拥有同行业模具岗位工作10年以上经验，能够实现模具设计完全内部一站式解决。模具设计师精心设计的每一张图纸都会由生管进行加工工艺编制，然后从模具 ERP 软件推单到各个加工组，加工组扫码报工后进行细心制造。车间还配备了独立的模具品检，配备3坐标等全系列检测设备，能够帮助我们实现模具加工过程中的全检品控，从而保证模具组装后的整体精度。每一只零件激光打标后都会做防腐管理，确保零件无损伤。钳工组一共配置10名专业的模具钳工，每一位都拥有10年以上的工作经验，其中塑料膜专业钳工7名，冲压膜专业钳工3名。专业的钳工以及实力雄厚的钳工队伍，不但能够帮助我们生产出高品质的模具，也能够提高模具生产效率，还能对模具进行及时的维护和检修，为我们的模具生产提供了重要的保障和支持，也能够帮助我们实现高效的生产和稳定的发展。是我们的模床组，配置台湾准力品牌小模床5台，重拳高精密大水模2台。目前配置4名高级技能模床老师，都具有10年以上模床作业经验，可以进行高精度工件的模削操作，精雕细琢每一只工件，为生产提供了可靠的保障。慢走丝组，慢走丝是利用连续移动的细金属丝，也就是电极丝做电极，对工件进行脉冲火发放电，释出材料，切割成型的一种精密加工机床。该区域目前配备高精密级慢走丝设备6台，其中瑞士 GF 慢走丝机床3台，日本沙迪克慢走丝机床3台，配置5人2班制，实现白夜班等效。这里是中走丝，中走丝组主要承担着零件的下料作业，后工件流转至模床组进行研磨成型，将零件的高耐磨度质量提升，对零件的精度控制更加精准。该区域配备精密中走丝8台，其中瑞士 GF 中走丝机床4台， 苏三光中走私机床4台，配置4人2班制，实现白夜班等效。
Thanks very much for the introduction of Manager Wang, which gives us a more detailed understanding of the entire mold and tooling workshop. The above is a general introduction of our MAXGE mold and tooling workshop. Afterwards, we will also introduce other workshops one by one and welcome everyone continuously to follow our channel.